Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Capcut video editing series. In the last class, we have discussed about the audio, text, sticker effect, and now we are going to discuss about transitions option. Yes, we are going to discuss about transitions options. For the transitions, we need some few clips as I can show you the result in a better way. So I'm going to zoom it out and I'm going to delete these effects too. Delete them and I'm going to make a cut here, Control B, and I'm going to also make a cut here, Control B, and I'm going to delete this one and go to the import again and select this clip here, and after that I'm going to cut it again and I'm going to drag this clip here. This is basically this is a picture, so zoom it again, and after zooming in go to the transition tray and I'm going to download, but I have already downloaded some transitions because they were in need. So I'm going to download this one, this one, this one, make them download, let them download. After, as you can see, this is downloaded. So simply I'm going to drag it here. It's done. And I'm going to drag this one here. And I'm going to drag this one here. So I'm going to show you that how it works. I have added the transition. It's working. It looks good. As you can see, these transitions are working in that way. Basically, these transitions make your video attractive. It looks professional. If you want to change any other kind of transition, you can also do that. If you want this type of transition, you can do that. I have replaced it with this and now play it. Simple. So this is the transition tab, that how it works. After that we have filter. In the filter you will get the filters. If you want any kind of filter on your video, you can also do that. Simply you just need to drag that option, you drag that effect and it will work. This is the video and this is without filter. After that, if you want to add this filter, you can also do that. Simply, as you can see, this is the video with filter and this is the video without filter. If you want to use any other kind of filter, you can also do that. I'm going to use this one. So now, as you can see the difference now, and there's a huge difference, and filters make your video attractive and engaging. So I hope this is enough for today. We have discussed in this class transition and filters. So this is going to be very useful for you guys. So see you in the next video.